How to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden. Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden. First, open WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Then tap on Settings from the bottom right corner. Here tap on Privacy to manage your account visibility. Now scroll down and make sure the Read Receipts toggle is turned on, because without this you can't properly track activity. Then scroll up and tap on Last Seen and Online. Here select My Contacts so only the people saved in your phone can see your last seen. Then under Who Can See When You Are Online, select Everyone. This way you can still notice if someone is online, even if they try to hide their last seen. Now go back and open any chat of the person you want to check. Here you will see their online status just below their name, and you can confirm it by watching if the word online appears when they are active. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.